Step fix guide, SEO-friendly title, description, tags, keywords, and a pinned comment to boost watch time and engagement. Says step-by-step fix, Grounded 2 multiplayer not working, can't join friends. Step 1, check Grounded 2 server status. Open quote, servers might be under maintenance. Close quote, visit https://grounded.obsidian.net status. Please open your app to see this link, or follow their official X, Twitter. Please open your app to see this link. If servers are down, wait until they're restored. So step 2, restart game and console PC. Open quote, quick reboots temp multiplayer/session bugs, close quote. Fully exit Grounded 2, restart your PC, Xbox, Steam Deck, relaunch and try joining a friend. Step 3, make sure all players are using the same version. Open quote, version mismatch prevents joining, close quote. Check if your game is up to date. Xbox, highlight game options, check for updates. PC, Steam, Windows Store, right-click game update. Step 4, ensure Xbox Network/T is open. Open quote, strict NAT blocks multiplayer. Close quote, Windows 10 to 11, settings, gaming, Xbox networking, check NAT type equals open. Fix Teredo issues if detected. Xbox settings, network, test NAT type, use a wired connection or port forwarding if stuck on, moderate or strict. So, step 5, enable crossplay if disabled. Open quote, Grounded 2 supports crossplay between Xbox, PC, Game Pass, and Steam. Close quote. Go to settings, multiplayer options, set crossplay equals enabled. All friends must do the same. Step 6, try hosting or joining via invite only. Open quote, use direct invite instead of public join, close quote. One friend hosts a private multiplayer game, send an Xbox, Steam, PC invite manually, accept via overlay or friend list. Step 7, relink Xbox and Steam accounts. Open quote, linking issues can block joining friends, close quote. 1, visit h/account.xbox.com/ please open your app to see this link. 2, go to profile, linked accounts. 3, relink Steam if needed. Step 8, reinstall the game, last resort. Open quote, if multiplayer is broken only for you, close quote. Uninstall Grounded 2, reboot your system, reinstall and retest multiplayer.